this is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles with the vibrations of this period. As you've sensed, it is eclipse time. And the eclipse started on the 25th of March, and it has a huge impact on our emotional body. So it's like that the moon, the earth came in front of the moon, which means that we had this momentum that we can see whatever is not going well in our lives. It's like one momentum that we see our shadow sides very clearly, that we see emotions that are lingering, that we are not taking care of, that we see some patterns, habits that we always doing. And now that we have that opportunity on the 25th of March, that we've seen what's wrong. And this is an opportunity to do something with it. It's like Lilith is blinking her eyes and sees in the unconscious mind what's wrong. So it's really a big happening, because on the 8th of April, we have the sun eclipse. Now we had the moon eclipse. So it's very important to see in your life where the eclipse is falling. For many people, they deal with relationships. And because of the moon, the eclipse was really in the sign of Libra. And that's really balancing. And the sun is in March, is in Aries. And that means as well we had the equinox time, the balancing. So this is the time and the period where we are balancing, where we are in our lives. For many indigenous people, this is really a new year where we plant seeds, And one of the things is to balance. Am I as woman, as man? Do I have a big balance in doing and being? It's like we have human doings and we have human beings, and we really should go back to the human beings. So, and this is really, for me, it's an opportunity to see where I am stuck in my life and where I can break down old systems that are still ancestral systems, most of all, or karmic systems that I have in a loop. So many people are always in a loop, and they always say, oh, I'm in the same loop again, because so many years ago I did the same, and it happens again over and over and over. So this is where we are aware of our loops, and we can break it down. So be aware, go and look at your unconscious that is revealing to you, and it will go on. So it's a very good time to balance, to take step back and to look at your life right now. Is this what you want, or do you want to have changes? So this is really a very it's a spicy period. Of course, it's very spicy, but it's really a good time to recreate our own lives, because many people, they just find out that they are codependent, or they are empaths, and that they always attract the same people who are taking advantage of them. So when you are a light worker, and when you really want to care about people, it's a very good moment as well to take care of yourself. So really put energy in self-care and self-love. And then you can stay in that zone of protection for yourself. Otherwise, you give yourself away, and then you feel victimized. And that's not the way we are going to do it now in these eclipses, because the sun eclipse will reveal more of it. And it's all a very good thing to know also is that we have Pluto in Aquarius, and I heard yesterday that it's been for many years, like 420 years, that it hasn't been in that sign. So which means really to to communicate, to say your truth, to really gather together with mind-like people and so on. So it's gonna be a good period, the whole month of April. And then of course you have the end of the period where the people fast, in the fasting period, or Likarem, or I don't know, the Ramadan and so on. And then we have the Eastern holidays. So I would say be sure that you are in a good balance and just enjoy life. It's a roller coaster, which means you can hold on to the shores, to your safety things, but now it's like just be free and be wild. Have a nice Eastern and have a really nice month of April. And I hope to see you next month. Oha.